Hello, my name is Stephanie Zhao. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to unbox the Seoul Box. I've never gotten this before and I'm so excited because it's a Korean snack box. I'm going to unbox it for you guys, so we're going to find out what's in it. Let's try out some Korean snacks. Wow, it's so pretty. So this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. Seoul Box. This is what it looks like. So let's open it. Wow. Straight to your door. They have an app. Okay, so let's look at this. So the first thing I see is this little magazine. This says Seoul Zine. It's a magazine that tells you a little bit about what's inside the box. It also has K-drama, K-pop information. It recommends some dramas. It's really cool. Well, it says, "Good evening, soulmates. I love a good K-drama, don't you? They're fun to watch. Suji-san is the CEO." Oh my god, I'm so excited. I'm gonna try some of these snacks on camera. The best K-dramas to binge watch: Kingdom, Squid Game, The Glory, 2521. I've watched Squid Game and I've watched The Glory. Both amazing. I just watched The Glory. I finished it a few weeks ago and it's amazing. And it also has Hangul Korean lessons. Like how cool is that? So episode 1, we have the roasted seaweed peanut bites, which are these. I'm really not a big fan of seaweed, so I've actually tasted the other ones that don't have seaweed and these are actually pretty good. But I'm not a big fan of seaweed, so I will not be trying this. I will give it to my boyfriend to try. But yeah, this is really good. It's like a little crunchy ball. It has peanuts inside, and it's made with wheat and soybean and milk. So yeah, there's this one. Pepero. These are really popular here in Korea. This is crunchy pepero. It's a Korean snack with a chocolate coated biscuit. And it's often exchanged during Pepero Day. I actually have a video about Pepero. But let's take a bite. Oh my god, they're so cute. Look at them. It's like a chocolate pretzel on a stick, like in little pieces. It's so good. These are so good. Next we have Bachu's Jelly Sour. I've never tried these, but I love sour things. This is what it looks like. It's often seen in K-dramas like Descendants of the Sun. I've never seen that K-drama, but this sour jelly offers a convenient and fun way to enjoy the unique flavor and benefits of the drink. Oh, it's an energy drink, but this is based off the energy drink. Wow, I love these. I love sour gummies, so this is pretty interesting. It tastes like a jellier type of Sour Patch, like in a big circle with sugar flakes on top. That's what it tastes like. It's not that sour though, but it is pretty good. This is a strawberry and vanilla wafer. Each bite melts into your mouth, leaving a sweet and satisfying taste. 2 delightful flavors, strawberry and vanilla. Okay, I've never tried this before. I definitely want to try it. This is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. It kind of tastes like an ice cream cone, but like with like strawberry and vanilla filling in the center. Next is the strawberry and banana kick. I have never seen these. I've never tried these. They usually have them in just banana in the stores, but I've never tried them. I've always seen them, but let's try. Ooh. It says it's a banana-shaped corn snack coated in strawberry icing with a banana kick. This is what it looks like. It's like a Cheeto puff but like a sweet one. Oh my god. me try it. It tastes like a Cheeto Puff, but a banana with strawberry Cheeto Puff, like a sweet one. So interesting. I think this was my favorite so far. And the jellies. Nice. Next, there's a cocoa banana rice cake. This one. Cocoa banana rice cake. Banana enriched chocolate. It looks like a chocolate chip cookie. Oh my god. I've had a lot of tok. Tok is like rice cake, but I've never had it in a cookie, so this is very interesting. It's like a banana chocolate chip cookie with tok in the center. Like, so it's really chewy. Wow, I ate all of it. It's really good. There's tea. I'm not gonna make it right now, but this is a orange grapefruit black tea. I love tea. I'm a tea girl. I rather drink tea than coffee, so this is perfect for me. I'm definitely gonna try it maybe like in the morning for school or something, but looks good. It looks like you can make it iced or hot, and it smells really good. I can smell it through the package. Wackle onion baguette snack. This is a savory onion baguette shaped snack. Satisfy your hunger while watching K-dramas. Oh my god, it smells like onion. It's like little, like, I don't know if you could see that. It's still sweet. Most Korean snacks have a little bit of sugar in them, even when they're a little bit savory, which is a little different. But I do still taste the salt. This is a red bean pancake. It has a pancake filled with sweet red bean paste, and it's a little sandwich. So cute. I'm gonna save these. This is a savory and sweet honey soy rice cracker. So it's crispy crunch rice cracker. That's cool. This is corn pang. It's crunchy and it's fried corn. Interesting, but I'm not gonna eat it. I think I've eaten and tried enough snacks, but I'm gonna put them all here. This is 7 berries chocolate cake. It's 7 different berries and it's soft and chewy, and it has sweet and tangy flavors. These are rice crackers, similar to the other one, but I think these are just plain. I've actually had these, so I don't want to open them. They're just they remind me of like the Quaker Oats, like the rice cakes, but like in square shaped, and then they have salt. Then there's this cream carbo hot chicken. I've never tried these. I've tried all the other ones, but wow, this looks interesting. I'll have to try this. It's ramen, and you just boil it and you put the sauce, and it's supposed to be like a cream carbo hot chicken like type pasta ramen, so that should be interesting. And last but not least, this is the Chrisma Derma Lab Moisture Barrier Mask Pack. It says that it is packed with 5 types of hyaluronic acid and ceramide, and it helps strengthen your skin barrier. So I'll definitely try this. I think I'm gonna review it in a separate video, like on a TikTok or something. And then I've never seen these. Oh, this isn't a mask pack. These are little band-aids. Like, how cute. They're little BTS band-aids. They're the tiny tan plaster. That's what it looks like. Look at how cute these band-aids are. So thank you Seoul Box for sponsoring this video. It is so fun to unbox these types of boxes, especially from Korea. I've been living here for 2 years and I just love the culture so much. I haven't tried a lot of snacks, so thanks again Seoul Box for sending me this box. Don't forget to check out myseoulbox.com and order your own. They have 3 different boxes. They have Signature, V, and Life. So yeah. definitely try it out. And if you have any questions, please don't bother to reach out to me or comment down below. I will have a link in the description linking this box and their website as well. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and have a good night. Just wanted to show a close-up of everything that I got. Look how pretty it all is. And the magazine is like the cutest thing ever.